Tasked with designing 400 years into the future, two Arcadians set out with the mission to both warn humanity of the dangers of the current climate conditions and show our species its great potential should we work together. And so we begin known to the Arcadians as the Reckoning, in the year 2040, where society's efforts to push initiatives and agendas of sustainability failed due to humanity's obsession with over-consumerism. Next, we have the Dystopian Era, in the year 2070, where the living conditions are inconceivably depressing, unhygienic, and inhumane. This future timeline lays out a stark, tech-driven journey of consequence and possibility. In 2040, the reckoning marks the moment humanity realizes that initiatives and sustainability agendas were not enough, overwhelmed by over-consumerism. The warning is clear. Our climate crisis is not just environmental, it is systemic. By 2070, the dystopian era arrives, defined by conditions that are depressing, unhygienic, and inhumane. Mismanagement of waste dumped around our planet and in space forces world governments to assemble people across nations to confront what has been allowed to spiral. After trial and tribulation, the plan that follows is radical. In 2100, humanity launches the retreat, a deliberate, decades-long pause on living at the surface to allow for the rest and recovery of the natural world. The retreat is not an escape, it is a reset. For 50 years, humans step back, allowing ecosystems to breathe and heal, while we reckon with our choices. Then, a new chapter begins. In 2020, the return brings humanity back to a surface that has flourished. The plan worked, nature reasserted itself, and with it, a renewed resolve to build differently. Scientists, pioneers, futurists, and imagineers devise methods to revolve society's technology and architecture around trans-botanism. The directive is simple yet profound. Rebuild with nature, not against it. By 2500, visionaries use biomimetic 4D printing to grow architecture, crafted from natural matter that is artificially reproduced and edited for human needs. Homes and neighborhoods are not constructed but cultivated, and harmonious routine life begins to reassemble at a local scale. This is a technology story anchored in humility, where innovation learns from biology and community. Halfway through this journey, I want to hear from you. Which chapter would you choose to live in? The reckoning of 2040, the dystopian era of 2070, the retreat in 2100, the return in 2200, or the biomimetic rebuild of 2250? Leave a comment with the year that you believe changes everything and explain why. Your perspective matters because these milestones reflect choices, and choices forge futures. Just when it seems our technological development has peaked, the new frontier redefines the very nature of life itself. The singularity arrives. Humans merge with AI and upload themselves to the digital realm, leaving behind all manners of physicality. In this vision, humanity solidifies its position as a Type 1 civilization and sets its eyes on the next challenge. The phases are stark: reckoning, dystopia, retreat, return, rebuild, and singularity. Each one is a pivot powered by technology and collective will. If you appreciate deep dives into tech and innovation timelines like this, subscribe for more future-focused stories built on consequences and breakthroughs. This 400-year design is a call to think about the long arc of progress, how we steward resources, how we heal damage, and how we redefine life and civilization when boundaries dissolve. The question that remains is the most provocative of all. If the singularity is here and humanity has stepped into the digital realm, what challenge would you choose for our next chapter?